Yeah, my stabilization went away again. It's still reading that it was going, so I restarted my whole daggone phone.
Hey, morning, my friend.
What's going on?
Bicycle driver in RCS there.
Yeah?
You're my friend.
Yeah, I don't walk. I'm walking. I like walking. Look.
Walking? Oh. You there to see home? You there?
What?
Home and there.
Yeah.
You.
What?
What are
You live near Arvin?
Oh, Arvin. My friend. Arvin, right?
Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah. Is he up?
Yung home, you there?
Okay. His house. So I don't do it. Just a walking tour, guys. So I used to live right up here. I want to recommend this car wash. The guys aren't open every time I come by anymore. So, Mejja's car wash. Hi. He's coming up behind me pretty quick. I didn't know. He just needed to turn. There's where I used to live, right there in that apartment. Right where that black car is where I used to live. And I'd take off walking towards the church there. You'd take off walking towards the church, and I'd wind up going to San Joaquin. And I think I've put enough miles in today, but right here, I used to live here. Right on this main road right here. But, you know, I want it off this main road. It's really loud all the time, day and night. And so I moved out there to a little bit further into Santa Lucia. In the house, I got a 3-bedroom house. It only cost me a couple more thousand a month. Hello, how are you? It only cost me a couple more thousand a month, and it was worth it because at 3 bedrooms, that was only 2, upstairs, downstairs, back there. And I had a leaky roof in that place. They wouldn't fix it. You know, they said they would, but they never did. And yeah, see, my stabilization's good now. And so I moved out there, and the landlords out there are real quick to fix anything on it. And I like it because it's off this main road. I don't have a lot of traffic coming through like this road does. Because we're on the main drag right into Santa Ana here at the T. And you go left at the T. There's Arvin, my friend Arvin's house. He lives in that little shack right there. He got a car and everything, a bunch of trikes and bikes, and like his whole family lives there. He's a cool guy though. I like old Arvin. Now he speaks a little bit more English than that other guy. Anyway, we made it to the RCS, which is this building right here. And they sell about everything. But mostly it's a cheap grocery store. If you're gonna buy groceries for your sorry store, that's where everybody goes here. So the lines are horrendous usually whenever it gets to a certain time of day. The lines are pretty bad. Good morning. Morning. Anyway, it's all irrelevant. The Russi dealers right here. Well, we might do a Russi stop off. I don't know. Hey, doggy. There's a tied up doggy. Doggy. Ruff. Let's see. Now we're starting to get into the township. Yeah, Russi's closed. Everything closed. I got here real early. Get to the township. Now my landlord lives right down this road, in the very end of this road, to the left. Oh. A lot of houses down that way. They're being built already. They live all the way. Look, see the banners? That was for our Fiesta. This is the College of Holy Cross. I think that's it for me, guys. I think I'm walking back home. Now I walk to the market, across the street, and walk to the market. That guy's getting it. I'm gonna walk home. So I'm about 2 clicks out, and we'll make our way back. Too bad nothing's open. That's the way it is this early in the morning. Make our way back. We'll go by the RCS. Morning. How are you? They're not open yet. Got a Korean mark right there with the sandwiches and stuff. A little bit of garbage on the ground. Anyway, guys, I'm just walking and filming and gymming and rimming. So I already got a few dogs down here that may bite me, but they never do. They just bark. Hey, that's not the Bulacan Spartans though. Just the daggone. Hey, good morning. What you doing? Pigeons. Huh? You about to go? Wait a minute, I want a dog.